Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what was to show up for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sagis, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagis, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Sagis, something ended here? Oh my God, heartbreak. But somebody still wants to fight for their happiness here. Okay. So bottom of my deck, yes, the Hermit card. Maybe feeling very left out, alone, trying to find answers from within, feeling very isolated, Sagittarius right now. You feel something may have come to an end. Of course, I could be picking up the energy of your cross watcher, so it could be them or you. Somebody is feeling that something has come to an end. There's a sense of a little sadness and depression, feeling that you never win. You always feel like a loser. There's a bit of heartbreak, with these thoughts. But be very mindful, Sagis, if this is you. Always think positive. The more you're going to be in this kind of energy, the more you're going to attract it, right? But I do see somebody wanting to, still holding on, still wanting to fight for happiness once again, and planning it, waiting for it, but let's see. I'm not going to say anything right now. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Sagis. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person spirit. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You could reach me there. Take a few from here. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Next card says, I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams, and even the strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me has me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, unextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. Like I said, there could be a lot of solitude, silence. Next card says, you changed. You were keeping secrets from me. One minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. I know that it's in our destiny to marry and have children together. We are to be united in mission, to serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important in this world. My desire is to have a family with you. Second card saying the same thing. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a family with me? Whether we are together or when we are apart, you're always in my thoughts and forever in my heart. I love you not only for your beauty but also for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are. Pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. This situation is messy. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. My feelings for you now are platonic. So, Sagittarius, I don't know what's going on, but I do see a lot of alone time here. So, let's start clarifying these cards. Before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius. Blessing, guidance, speak your truth. Yes, there is a lack of clarity in this situation. Maybe it's messy because somebody has been lying or not speaking or not giving clarity as to where this connection is going. So it's time to ask those questions, Sagittarius. Speak your truth. So what's this World card, Spirit? Is that an ending or is it a beginning? What is this? What is the World card? There could be distance also. Maybe you guys are countries apart or miles apart. There's distance between the two of you. No, something could have ended as well. I do see some conflict and fighting. Maybe there was somebody who was trying to be a bit of a dictator. Somebody tried to control how the situation would go. There could have been a fight regarding it and devastation after that. And something ended here, Sagittarius, because of one person's controlling behavior. They wanted it their way. Four of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, Sagittarius, this is your card and it's in reverse, right? So whatever was done, whatever was said, it brought a lot of imbalance to this connection and probably resulted in a broken heart. I have this heartbreak twice here on my 9-card spread. One person is in a lot of depression and sadness at the moment, feeling that they lost. 6 of Wands in reverse. Yes, now feeling very bitter, very angry, very upset, feeling lost trust. 3 of Swords. What's this 3 of Swords, Spirit? 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords. They're upset and angry, feeling heartbroken because somebody stopped putting in the work. Maybe somebody was expecting to be treated better, maybe expected to be made the spouse or be given an offer for commitment or something, but they're heartbroken because the partner never put in the work. 9 of Wands. 9 of Wands. Too many cards. 9 of Wands, Spirit. Why is that the center of my spread? One of you does want to still hold on. They want to fight for this connection. Somebody's coming back, Sagittarius. Look at this. Somebody here does want to. This could be you yourself. I don't know. Somebody still wants to try for this connection one more time. They are either waiting for somebody to come towards them or they want to rush towards them. Somebody wants to return. Somebody wants to return and fight one more time to achieve this 10 of Cups. The happily ever after. 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yeah, somebody is waiting for a transformation. It's like that magic where one minute there's darkness and the other minute there's light. So somebody wants to put an end to all the pain and suffering of the past and transform this connection where this 10 of Cups can be achieved. Why? Because their partner makes them very happy. 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups. What's the 9 of Cups, Spirit? 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups. Oh God. This is the other person, I think. 2 of Wands. 2 of Wands. Hermit again. I feel one person is still waiting for a comeback, whereas the other person is saying, I am pretty happy with my 9 cups and could have walked away and not really. I don't know. This person is turning their back. They could have a choice between two options, or they want to see what else is out there. They are not pursuing this 10 of cups the way their partner wants to do so. So there is lack of clarity. You guys are on different pages here. Ace of Swords in reverse. 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 Yes, somebody is not giving clarity here as to whether they're going to put in any investment, whether they'll put in any work, which is bringing a damper on this connection here, Sagittarius. There's a lot of blocking going on even now. Things haven't really changed. I see both of you in hermit mode separately. Right? Somebody waiting for a message of transformation and the other person still in two minds. Not wanting to, still holding back. Sagittarius, I'm sorry, still holding back from offering this 10 of Pentacles. So somebody, I think, really needs to speak their truth and ask the question. This never-ending waiting and broken heart, I don't know, it can lead to depression. I'm sorry if you are in that. Speak your truth, ask the question and move on, I would say. There is somebody here who has walked away from this connection, no longer giving to the connection, no longer, offering this 10 of cups, very happy the way they are in their solitude with their 9 of cups, pulled in two different directions, not being honest, not putting in any investment in this connection, blocking it, holding back, whereas the other person is still hopeful, still wishing that by some miracle things can transform and bring them that 10 of cups. So I think it would be a good idea, if you guys are not talking to each other, send that message, Sagittarius. Send that message and speak your truth. This no communication is not going to work out. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.